Even an animal wouldn't do this.
This case has triggered so much debate about violence against women and the need to make some urgent changes in the Indian social structure. Do you have any suggestions?
First of all, जो मैंने उस दिन face करा,
First of all, based on my experience, public transport was unsafe. Secondly, the police. Third, the society, people around us. Maybe they didn't want to help us because they were scared of the police. And lastly, the hospital. Even 2 hours after reaching the hospital, my treatment hadn't started until my relatives reached there. I was just sitting there in the cold without clothes. So these were the things that failed that night. There should be quick and stern action by the police in every case related to violence against women. And in the police department, there should be more female officers, both in the station and on the street.
Did you have a chance to speak to your friend when she was in the hospital?
When I went to meet her in the hospital, she was happy to see me. She said if she did not have so much support, she would not have been able to tell anyone that she had been raped. So she was happy that she had so much support by her side. So this is something we need to think about. Even though somebody went through such a gruesome incident, people in our country, well, they don't even try to understand. So somewhere in her mind, my friend felt that maybe it's not good to talk about being raped. She felt the society would not support her. So she was happy she was not alone. I started crying when I heard her saying these things and the condition she was in. So the society will also have to undergo a massive change because, as it is, we have to face this violence. And then victims also have to hide it.
Did she ask you about the accused?
Yes, she spoke about burning them alive. I remember she said, burn them alive so that they can never even think of doing this again to anyone else.